my channel. I want to show you how to make money, real cash, online or in Ghana, which is very genuine and accurate for everyone to join it. So please, if you want to get benefited to this account, please click on the link below so that it will divert you here. Please, first, what you have to do is, if you don't have the account, please you create your account. Like if let me log it my account out and log in. Okay, I'm out. Now that I want to log in, when you click on the link, it will divert you to here. When you click on the link, it will divert you here. And then if you don't have the account, you log in. If you already have it, but if you don't have it, you register. Now, if I want to register, here is the option that they will give me. I'll put my number, my password, and then confirm it, and put the 4 digits here that they display here, and then I'll enter the invitation code, which is on the link below, and it is optional. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, you leave it aside. Now I want to log in into my account, and then I'll put my password. I'll log in. Now that I'm in, so here is the option. You can see some people have been withdrawing their cash. Here is the case. Some withdraw 187, 416, and then 908, 24 Ghana city. It is any amount that you want to withdraw. You can withdraw it when you be in the membership. So please consider the procedures, which will be very, very beneficial to you if you are interested. Please, now I want to show you here. As you can see, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4. Now that you have VIP 0, it means that you register the account, but you do not deposit anything here. That's the 0. But they consider you, as you do not put anything inside, they consider you and give you an hourly 0.25 every hour, and then daily they will give you 6 Ghana city. In a month you will not get anything. Annual too, you will not get anything because you do not put anything inside. Now if you come to the VIP 2, the VIP 1, when you they consider you to put 100 cedi into the account. When you put the 100 cedi into the account, they will give you every hour 0.26 Ghana cedi, and then in an hourly it will be 6 cedi 24 pesos. Monthly it will be 187 20 pesos, and an annual it will be 2,277 60 pesos, which is very, very beneficial. The VIP 2, it will be 200 that you deposit, and then they will give you 0.46 every hour. In daily it will be 11 cedi and 4 Ghana cedi, and then 1 month you will get beneficial 331, which is very beneficial for you. And then a yearly totally it will be 4,029 60 pesos. Now, I want you to consider here and read. They say, for example, when you deposit 100 CD to become VIP 1, that's VIP 1 here, your hourly salary will be reached 24 Ghana 26 pesos. Every hour they will give you 26 pesos. Daily it will be subsidy 24 Ghana cedi. And then you only need 16 days to recover 100 cedi that you deposit. It means that when you put the 100 cedi into the account, they withdraw it. They withdraw the 100 cedi. Them themselves, they will withdraw the 100 cedi. And you need 16 days to recover the 100 cedi. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. They will give you the money back. Every day they will give you 6 cedi, 24 pesos. So you need 16 days to recover the 100 cedi. When it reach the 16 days, please, you withdraw the 100 cedi and wait for the month to close. When the month will close, they will give you 180 187 Ghana cedi for a month for free. What is your beneficial profit for the month? When you leave it for annual, 1 year, it will be 2,281. So after that, when you just deposit the 100 cedi into the account, when you deposit the 100 cedi to the account, they will withdraw the 100 cedi, and then they will be giving you subsidy for 16 days. It will reach the 100 cedi that you put inside. When it reach, please, you withdraw them the 100 cedi. After that, when you withdraw the 100 cedi, you wait for the other month. You don't need to put any amount inside. You don't need to put anything inside. The rest, every month you will be given 187 Ghana cedi for free. It is free. They will be giving you every month, as far as you are in the membership for VIP 1. They will be giving you every month 187 Ghana cedi for free. So please, it is very genuine and accurately. So if you want to be part, please just click on the link below. I'll put my referral code inside. If you want, you can put the referral code inside. And then when you are to register, please. And if you also want a clarification about this, I'll put my number here under the description so that you can chat me on WhatsApp, so that I will guide you in how you can do it and then get the beneficial to this platform. So please get noted very well. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for your time and consideration. Thank you very much for your time.